Hi, I'm Swati, and right now I would like to share with you something that happened with me in the year 2007, the year when I moved from Lucknow to Mumbai, the year when I really thought all my dreams would be fulfilled, and finally I got the taste of freedom coming from a small town, Lucknow, to a big city of dreams, Mumbai. This happened when I got selected in Kingfisher Airlines as a cabin crew. And I thought that this is it. I will finally live the life I've always wanted. I was only 19, so my eyes were full of dreams and ambitions, and all I wanted was to go out there, prove myself, earn money, make friends, and have an amazing new life. But during my training in Kingfisher, I realized that I was getting extremely distracted with a lot of other things that was happening around me, a lot of new things. For example, I was going out for partying, clubbing. All of that happened for the first time. I started drinking. And eventually, after three and a half months, when it was the time for final exams of DGCA, I actually failed the exam. And I was given 2 attempts. I failed both the attempts. There was a feeling of embarrassment, shame. I was totally broken. I was shattered. I had announced to my entire family, friends, everyone that I would be going to Mumbai and I would live this amazing life full of glamour and earn good amount of money. But everything came to an end. When this happened, I did not know what to do next. I had no plan of action. I had not thought of anything at all. But one thing I knew for sure, that I did not want to go back to Lucknow because I had actually fallen in love with the city. I started liking it. I started liking the fact that there is no judgment here. Nobody is bothered with anybody's life. You can, just be yourself and nobody is going to question you. This whole feeling of not wanting to wake up in the morning, this whole feeling of not talking to anyone, not wanting to do anything, this feeling of, probably doing something in my life, but didn't know what to do. I didn't know what my path was. Of course, I immediately shared this with my family that I had not cleared the exam. And as I told you in my last video, my family has always been extremely super supportive in all my decisions. They have been extremely non-judgmental. So, like always, they supported me and they just was there with me. But it was time for me to take a call, what I had to do. And I was living with some of my roommates, wherein one of my roommates suggested me to go and apply for some jobs in the call center because of my good communication skills. She said that if you don't want to leave the city, you have to keep doing something, right? And being an undergrad, I did not think there was any other option. And I did not want to apply to any other airline because of the embarrassment that I had gone through. And the shame I was feeling within myself. Nobody else was making me feel anything but just me. So that phase, that entire phase of searching for a new job, my relatives asking me questions, my friends asking me questions, being able to answer them, and my family back in Lucknow, they never told me, but I'm sure they were equally embarrassed as well. Because I'm sure even people were asking them questions as well, that what is your daughter currently doing? She left everything here, she left her studies, her house, her parents, and went to Mumbai to work in such a big airline. And now what is she doing there? So I'm sure they must have been also bombarded with a lot of questions. They never told me about it. But this weird feeling of what would I do next and how would I face people? Yeah, I mean, I was just 19. I was just 19-year-old little girl who just came out of her nest to this big city, and suddenly, I mean, I'm nowhere. Guilt also was there, of course, because my parents really believed in me, and they had actually spent a good amount of money for my college fees in Lucknow. I was doing my mass comm from Amity University, but then I left that in between and came to Bombay for this new job. So that feeling of guilt was also constantly there, that, you know, being from a middle class family wherein every penny really counts and matters, I wasted my parents' money. And instead of being able to earn money, I'm actually wasting their money. Now it's almost been what, 15 years, more than 15 years. And when I look back now, and finally I've had the guts now to make a video and tell it to the world, I feel that I have come a really, really long way. I live in Mumbai, I live on my own, and that fear, that embarrassment, that shame, that guilt that I used to feel back then, you know, I don't feel that anymore for any decision that I take or anything that happens to me. And I've started feeling that everything that happens with you happens for a reason, for a certain reason. And I very, very strongly believe in that. If that wouldn't have happened in my life, I wouldn't have been able to become so strong mentally, you know, searching for a new job, struggling again, and you know, meeting such amazing people during my call center days. I mean, they were destined to be in my lives, and we are still best of friends. Everything, good or bad, teaches you something. And वो एक कहावत है ना कि अंधेरे के बाद रोशनी ज़रूर आती है. तो आपको रोशनी तभी दिखेगी या उसकी वैल्यू तभी पता चलेगी जब आपकी लाइफ में एक अंधेरा आएगा. आई थिंक वो मेरी लाइफ का सबसे डार्केस्ट टाइम था. उसके बाद भी बहुत ऐसे चीज़ें हुई हैं जिसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आई हैं और बहुत कुछ फील हुआ है. लेकिन आई थिंक वो एक पहला, बोलते हैं ना, एक झटका, मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा झटका, वो मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा शॉक था. और वो शॉक ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया. इवन टुडे व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट इट एंड टॉक अबाउट इट, आई कुड स्टिल फील व्हाट आई फेल दैट टाइम. लेकिन मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा थैंकफुल हूँ टू द यूनिवर्स फॉर टीचिंग मी सो मच एट अ वेरी यंग एज. अदरवाइज़ मैं आज जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ, मैं शायद उतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं बन पाती, और मेरे में इतना करेज नहीं आता कि आज फाइनली मैं उस बारे में खुल के सबको बता पाऊँ. और मैं आप सबको यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप कभी भी आपकी लाइफ में डाउनफॉल आए, कभी भी आप किसी चीज़ में फ़ेल हो, आप रिजेक्ट हो, आप के बारे में लोग कुछ भी बोले, यू जस्ट हैव टू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. और मैं सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ये मैंने महसूस किया है, ये मैंने जिया है. आई हैव लिव्ड विद दैट फीलिंग. यू हैव टू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड यू हैव टू कीप बिलीविंग इन योर सेल्फ, even if there are 1,000 people against you, even if people keep telling you you're not worth it, you do not have to stop believing. Do not stop because of anything negative happening in your life. Because ये लाइफ है यार, नेगेटिव चीज़ें तो होनी है, और अंधेरा होगा तभी तो रोशनी का एहसास होगा ना, तभी तो वो खुशी का पता चलेगा. दुख के बाद ही खुशी आती है ना. हमेशा खुशियाँ ही रहेंगी तो उसकी वैल्यू कैसे पता चलेगी, ये मैंने सीखा है विद माई लाइफ. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.